All right, Bob, it's about to get hot.
Hot, 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 as the song goes. Let's get right to our weather headlines. Most of them concern the heat. A warming trend begins. More dry weather ahead. We're going to fall further and further behind. I wonder how the farmers are doing with their irrigation supplies. I know they're going to be kind of thin this year. Looks like they're going to be thinner because weekend record heat coming our way, and next week starts off hot as well. It's pretty mild out there this morning after our warm day yesterday, 93 degrees, but that will feel cool compared to what you'll see in that extended forecast that's coming up. 62 degrees right now. Some other temperatures across our region. It's nice to see a temperature like 37 degrees in Stanley. 57, nice and pleasant in McCall this morning. 48 degrees in Baker City, and most locations here in the 60s, but Ontario especially warm. They're at 70 degrees already. Looking for a high of 93 for today, so that is 9 degrees above normal. The overnight low will be right around 64. That's also on the mild side. The record for the state, 98, but most of our records this time of the year in the triple digits. 98, the record for this Wednesday, June the 24th already. Almost done with the month of June. It won't be long before we start July. And then 4th of July right around the corner. As far as precipitation, again, with no rain in sight, we fall further and further behind for the month. We're now pushing almost half an inch behind. Getting there. Here's our Futurecast computer model. What you see with these lines is our isobars. That's kind of pinpointing our high and low pressure systems. We've got a low out there in the eastern Pacific. Now the colors, those represent the temperature at the surface. And you'll notice the lines start to, we start to see a high pressure ridge form right there. That's Thursday. It gets a little stronger on Friday. And then the purple color expands across the west. We pause it here at the warmest part of the day. There's 4:30 in the afternoon. As we head into Sunday, that's when you see the purple really expand. Sunday and Monday looking especially warm. And as we head into Tuesday, Tuesday also looks pretty warm as well. And you'll see that reflected in the extended forecast. In the meantime, we have a west-east jet stream flow, a few clouds moving across the northern Idaho panhandle and central Idaho. Some of those clouds make it into McCall today, but our story is this high pressure ridge building in. Eventually, we'll start to see some monsoonal moisture start to rotate along the backside. We might start to see some showers starting in California, probably maybe as early as Friday on into Saturday. In the meantime, some passing clouds to the north, pretty much clear skies all the way through Friday. Now, as we head into Friday afternoon, we'll start to see some of that moisture moving along, and that's the backside of that high pressure ridge. We might also see a scattered shower for our central mountains later in the weekend as the temperature really wrings out all the moisture in our atmosphere. You can see it showing up as early as Friday evening for our central mountains, but for the most part, most locations will be sunny and cloud-free. Sunny skies for Twin Falls, the high about 92, 82 degrees for Sun Valley for today. Nice and pleasant much of the day for McCall and Cascade. Your temperature near room temperature most of the day. And then for the western end of the valley, you're looking at some mid to lower 90s for the most part in Canyon County. Boise 93 after our high yesterday of 93. But check out the extended forecast. Almost into the triple digit territory, maybe even as early as Thursday or within striking distance. Friday, I wouldn't be surprised to see a triple digit. And then it's just record heat from then on out. 105 on Saturday, the old record 104. Sunday, definitely we're going to set a record there, 102. We're forecasting 108, 108 for Monday, and 107 for Tuesday. In fact, our minimum temperatures will probably also set records there. Overnight lows in the 70s. That wasn't that long ago. That used to be a high. That's a look at weather.